video shows you how to find Scott's directory, which is a directory of company information. So you can search for different companies in this. So we're going to go to the Durham College Library website. So type Durham College Library. That's probably the first hit. And there's lots of ways to get to the directory. I'm going to show you one. I'm going to scroll down to Research Guides. And again, we're looking for a business directory about companies. So we're doing some business research. So click Business, and then we're going to select the company and industry research. And then again, I'm going to scroll down the page, and I'm going to look for, I can click either business directories or company directories. I'm going to click business directories. And I'm going to scroll down the page and click Scott's Directories, Ontario Business Prospector. So this is the one that we want to access through the library. Click on this, and because this is the paid version of it, you're going to put in your 100 banner number and your password and click Login. And you should get to a page that looks something like this.